Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. Type hashtag replay, and I don't even know what I'm going to show, but I thought this has been like what is it, like a pending request for so long. They always wanted to see my jewelry collection, so I was like, why not? I will do something. So that's how I ended up. What is it, like scheduling this live. Hi Gajalakshmi, thank you so much for hopping on. Hi Vanita. So I'm I'm not a seller, so I feel, what is it, I'm not a live seller at all. This is like a kid in class who is presenting after learning from all the experts, and they are watching you. That's how it feels. Hi Anusha, thank you so much. Hi Juhi. Hi Soumya. So it feels like it feels like I am so nervous because I am not a person who sells in live. So that's why the disclaimer says I am not selling. Hi Shobna, thank you so much for hopping on. I know you are still in office, so thank you so much. Thank you Juhi. You know, like I am a crazy earring person. I have so much, so I don't even know where I'm going to start. Hi Anuradha. So I scheduled it in the evening. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. That's how I feel, because you all are like used to selling it live, and I am a person who is like more of what is it, like I'm more of not selling in live particularly, because mine is more of, I feel like I share and teach those kind of stuff. Hi Gayatri, thank you so much for hopping on. So that's how I feel. Yeah, the amount we buy, that's how people feel. I think, and every time I'll be like, even yesterday night I claimed so much from Soumya. Thank you, Gayatri. This is actually one of my favorite, I mean, kurti from India. It's actually a Soch kurti. It's used to be my favorite. I think I got it in somewhere in 2013 or 14 somewhere, but I've been holding on this for so long. Ram hates it actually. He's a person who always changes, so he'll be like, why don't you throw it and buy a new one? And but I never got this type. Let me show you guys. See, this is Kusuma inspired, I think. Kusuma is the one who does this. So this is like a fish cut kurti, which I never got it afterwards. So I've been holding on to it for so long. Yeah, but I don't know. Like after that, thank you, thank you, Anu. So after that, I never found this type at all anywhere. This is a fish cut. I think that's how they call it. But the next time, whenever I went, I found like the huge anarkalis, all those stuff. But I thank you, Priya. Thank you so much for hopping on. Then when the number goes high, I think I am getting nervous now. Because I'm like, I don't even have a clue on what I'm going to do for my life. My husband was like, how long you are planning to do? I was like, I don't even know. If I keep showing, I'll be showing all night, and I don't want to do each one. I may be picking very few favorites. That's how I'm thinking. So the next time when I went, I didn't find something similar. Like it's all big anarkalis or so many work kind of. This is like a very such a plain kurti, which I didn't find afterwards. So so I've been holding this for 7 or 8 years now, and that too black. Who will say no to black? My husband doesn't understand that. So he's like, if I get a new one, then you need to throw. By if I keep throwing that, that's all. I'll even throw the new one in a very short span of time. So he doesn't understand women's problems. So let's where do you want to see? I don't even know. So okay, let's start with this itself. So this is the one. I think it's a new one I wore. It's from Vimi's one. So don't ask. My memory is so volatile. I think whoever close to me, they all know. I don't even know my SSN. I will not know my what's it, like my car numbers, like numbers. Even though I'm a math person, I always say I love numbers, but numbers doesn't stay in my mind. That's how I am. Hi Usha. Yeah, Gajalakshmi. I used to be a black fan so much. Like I buy so many blacks, but I think I reduced it because I think I had a mindset that black will obviously make you look thin, and okay, you will just wear it to do that, but I think that's the reason I'm staying away from it too. So no, Vanita, I cannot do that until I give the claim number, so I need to wait for that. So this is not how it works here. So I think I did first natural tan as my base, and then I did this is a 5-minute quick smoky eye look. I think I already have it in the group to Soumya. It is black pencil, onyx, and then French rose. You can pretty much use any browns. This is more of a ombre look. If you see, it's black, brown and light brown. So I have used French roast, and then I have used Americano. I think even the new clove should work, or what else? Yeah, French roast, rustic brown, any of the brown should work basically. So that's the one I did. And face, I just have pecan foundation, and I used amber. I know this light will not show up. I will show it in outside or something when I can time. So let me start. I have so much to cover actually. To be frank, see, this is just earrings I have, and I have so many boxes here. So I need to start somewhere, right? So maybe I will start with my favorites first, and then let's move on. As I said, I will try to find, if you like something, ping me. I will try to find where I bought, because some of them I might have bought in India, because I think recently only we have, after COVID, I get to know many of the sellers here, but before that I used to, because we, as you all know, we always visit India once in a year, or so my parents or in-laws used to come. So I always used to ship it to India from Indian vendors. And then either when I go or when they come, they used to bring it. So most of mine used to be from India prior to that. But I think after COVID, I bought so much here. So let's start with this one. So I am starting with the pearl one. So this is my favorite. Most of them I think I wore, but you might have seen it. So this is a pearl one from, what is it, like, I think this is from Akriti. So this is the one from Akriti. So I wore it with my, if I'm not wrong, I think I wore it with my Sungudi, I think. So this is my favorite. I've been looking for so long, and finally I was able to grab it. And I am a big Jamaica person, and I can wear big ones. Like my ears are like, I don't know whether you guys can see, my hole is in the center, so that way it can hold really well. And also if you see me straight, you can't see my ears. That's my, thank you Juhi, thank you so much. So that is the reason I wear big jhamkas. If you go back and watch my lives from 1 year or 1.5 years back and all, I have made many videos without realizing I didn't even have a earring. That's how even I will forget. Even I have attended many like parties or anywhere. Once I get ready, I will completely forget, because I'm not a person who wears every day at home. So I remove it after the video or live. So I completely forget, and I have been to many places. Even my husband asks me all the time, like, after buying these many, if I'm heading out, you will not see me with any earring at all. So he will be like, I don't even know what is the purpose of you buying so much, but at the end of the day, whenever I see you, you won't have any earrings at all. So that's how much that's how I use. So this is the first one I wanted to show. So this is from what is it, Akriti. Okay, I hope I don't miss it. And this is again a pearl one. So this is another favorite of mine. This one I wore it with my Madisar actually. This is again, this is a very sturdy one. It doesn't move. Growing up, I think I had a, I think I will show you one. this is not a good quality. This is a very old one. Growing up, if you think, I think this used to be very popular when we are small. Hi Kavita, thank you so much for hopping on. Hi Bob. I think like how, hi Kabi, I didn't even see, that's what I'm saying, no, like how Kusuma always says, like when you talk, I think it keeps growing, and Facebook has to remove this watching kind of that notification at all, because anyway you know how many people are watching. It is like it keeps going every time, so that way you keeps missing the messages in between. Yes, Anuradha, that's what I think. If you're, I think we South Indians, this kind of Jhumka is very famous. Like, I think this was in my mind always. I wanted to get something like that. So anything that has this kind of pearl, oh, I didn't know, Anita. Like, that's what I think we all used to wear if we have a dance performance. I think I did only when I was in elementary. I didn't do anything afterwards. So this one, I tried to get different colors. As this one being what to say, like a red. I got this one. Yeah, even I think they used to even make in gold, if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure, but so I got this one from Om Collections. So this is another one, and yeah, Sumaya, it is like my favorite all the time. It makes you go with any jewelry basically. And this is another one of mine. Again, another pearl one. This is obviously from India, it's not from here. I got it in black, that way I can wear it with any dress. Even for this it will go well, but it's a silver, so I didn't wear it. I love these kind of statement ones which are really big, because my whenever I take pictures I really love it when it shows up. So this is one more from India. I know this is a Meenakari one, but I don't remember the name where I got it, but if you need it I will definitely, or sometimes when you search it you will find it. I think 2 or 3 shops I used to buy are Silver Ace, Jhumka Junction, one more Molt Box. These 3 are my as of now I have different things, Shravani. Let me show you what this one I have already stored only like this, because I don't move them much. I only take it whenever I need. So far I didn't have any tarnish or anything. This should be at least 3-4 years back, and even this one, these all 3 are minimum 3, or these are 3 years old, and these 2 might be 1 or 2 years old, and they didn't tarnish or anything. So you can see I didn't lose any of the pearls or anything. See, seriously, you guys are interested in seeing my earring. I couldn't believe the numbers, seriously, because usually I think Madhu was surprised that day, because I am usually a person like a school kid who will do by 9 o'clock, 9:30, and then I will go relax my day and then do, because I know people can watch it in replay. But I am surprised to see 20 of you in live actually. Yeah, Kavita, these earrings are my favorite. So this is the one I wanted to show. I have this kind of storage from Amazon, obviously. So this makes it, hi Fa, how are you? This is like a adjustable one. It is easy because I think it comes with like 36 dividers or something. So that way you can remove it and adjust to your size, and that was really helpful, because thanks Fa. So my husband was like, are you really serious? Why are you buying this much big ones? Like, I will be like, no, I love them, I want only big ones. So I end up buying big ones. Like the moment they show big ones, I will be like, yes, I need them. That's how I will be jumping onto it. So for a change, let me show this. I think I have in 2 sizes. I will show you that. So this is, yeah Kavita, once I finish I will share whatever storage I have used. So this is an oxidized one. This is again from India. So this is This one I wore for first day of Navratri with my banana pith saree, I think. I remember that. So, no, Shobna, I am the worst person to do. My husband is so particular about it. Otherwise, he will get what is it like? He will start to clean out everything. So then I will miss. So before he says, I will be like, whenever I order something, I will be like, can I add one more organizer? That way I will have it. That's how I will do. So this is these are like, even though they look really big, they are so lightweight. I know people will really be worried whether it's so big and how do you carry for the whole day, but these are so lightweight, and I love these ones for any cotton sarees because it will look really nice when you wear them. So if you need Amy to change anything to see you, I can wear it, except I'm not selling. So the next one is, this is again my favorite. This one I wore with a sari that had girl. I think it's called Golabamma sari or something. So this is, it has dancing girls around it, and it also has pearls. So these are very lightweight, even though they look very huge, but they are so lightweight. Hi Shailaja, I didn't even know you were here. No Shailaja, the one bigger one is from Michaels, but these ones I got in Amazon. The smaller ones are for Amazon. So this is one I wore with that cotton saree. Thank you Shailaja, thank you so much. You know, you have half of it. Don't even say you don't have. You have too. So I think in fact most of them who are here, they all have it. They are just verifying what and all they have, what they don't have. That's all they have, except I need to ask them to come on live and show their collection. So it has white stones, but this is like, it has that movement which will be really nice when you wear it. So this is again from India. So you can see pretty much most of mine are like this size. So that's how. Today evening all girls dress up kind of day, I think, Kavita. So that I was actually thinking, Kamba, hi Abita. So I was thinking actually to, what say, like I will do in a different time or something, but I thought she's not doing first, but then now she said she's doing. So I was like, okay, then I didn't change it. Yes, no Shailaja, like that's what I was saying, like I wear it only for the live or until I take pictures, then I will remove it anyway. Abita, no, I didn't give you any claim number, so you cannot claim it, okay? Which one to tag? I didn't even know which one she is asking. When someone replies, I think I can't see what's the message on that. I don't know whether I missed anything. I know. Yeah. So this is this one again is from, I think it was from Trinket Shop, if I'm not wrong. No, maybe I will find it. So hi Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya has, what is it, like a wonderful collection than mine. She has like unique, I would say. Mine is not unique. I would definitely agree, mine is not unique. I'm a lazy shopper, that I keep telling to everybody who comes to me. I'm such a lazy shopper. If you show me 2 colors in this, I will just yes, Vimi. Wholesale shop. That's how my boxes are ending now these days. So this one I wore when I had like a blue and pink saree. So this is again, I will just grab whatever it comes to my mind. I don't plan. I'm not like, okay, I have this color, I have this metal, I will need to grab this. Nothing. My mind will not work at all. I will randomly grab and then I will think about when I have to pair. That's how I buy. So I don't bargain. I don't, think too much. I will just buy if I like it. That should be fun, no, Srividya. Like I actually bought a saree from Kabi recently. I'm just waiting for that. Thank you, Anusha. So anytime, Juhi, you have the access. You can directly come here once you get ready and take it. So This is the, what is it, like a oxidized one, but again these are very very lightweight. If you have never tried these kind of things, you should actually, because it will once you wear something like this, you don't even need anything for neck or something, so that way it will be really nice to wear. So this has both like a orangish and like a magenta color pearl, I mean stones, so that way it's like randomly you can do anything. Yeah, actually that's how I buy these. Even to Kusuma's one, she will sometimes say, please don't buy the same thing again and again, but I will end up doing that if I like it. So what is the name? I forgot, but this is a US based one. I will link if you guys like it, but this is my one of my recent addition. This one also, I think my my Facebook DP will have this one only, I believe, if I'm not wrong, or I have one more green for the same. I think that one was from Blossom Hues. This one I forgot the name. But this is from US if anyone. Yeah, but that's how I was telling, like I'm like a school kid. I was like, you all are pro and been doing for so long. I've been like a mess. I don't even know where to start and what to do, because I'm not a live person, I mean live selling person at all. So I was I was scrambling around and I was selling Kusuma, like I don't even know. So this is again hoop kind of earring. I've actually, to be frank, I'm not a hoop earring person at all. If this one did not have pearls, I wouldn't have bought it, but since it had pearl, I wanted to give it a try. So this one I think I bought from US only. So, but that's again a green one. I try to change a little bit from others, so that way, see, you can see it's similar to the pink one, but it's a little different. But I didn't think much. I just was like, when I select, I'll be like, oh, one pink, one red, one blue. That's how. Yeah, Soumya, I bought it here. I forgot the name, Soumya. I will find to link you that if you need. What is that, Shailaja? That one, that model, I don't even know that. Kajalakshmi, you are welcome. You can come anytime. So this one is again a bigger one, but again such a light one. All these are like 3-4 years old, like from my last trips, because if you remember, I think that's when the TV serial and all people started to wear these kind of Afghans and all those stuff. Till that, I don't think South Indians used to wear something like this. Yes, Shailaja, we all need to share. You like this one, Aparna? I know you are a blue person. I know you like matte and other things. You wear a dress. How do you know which one to wear? You remember all the earrings. That is why I have this in this glass containers, Shobna. I hate the plastics. I cannot have it. I know Abita and everybody used to say me. Yeah. Srividya, you have this kind of, what do they call? I forgot, the Afghan necklaces, or even you got the 92.5 or something else. Thank you, Shobna. Thank you so much for hopping on. I know you are busy, but still. Thank you, Juhi. Yeah, at least you should not feel guilty after they tarnish, right? Because sometimes these boxes are like $15 or something, but it's like a one-time investment. You will save so many whatever you invested, instead of I hate to put them in individual Ziplocs, to be frank, because once you see, it will be like a mess and you don't have patience of which one to take or which one to wear. And this is my recent favorite, but I don't think the video will never do justice for this one. This is again I got from the same one who I got that green Jumuka. This is such an absolute favorite of mine. What do they call? You guys tell me. What is this called? Polki. Yes, it's a Polki stones, and it's a multi Polki stones. Yes, Gajalakshmi, I will do. So this is a Polki earring. Yes, see Abita, I know. See, I forgot the name, but it is like, it's not showing up at all in the video, I mean in the live, but it's in person. It is such a pretty one. I wore, Yes, 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 Shalaja. This is the one following your. Yes, actually, because I think you get more of necklaces, Srividya. I think I get more of earrings first, and then I will think about what is it like necklaces. So I ended up more like getting more of jumukas actually. Yes, Fauzia. So this one I got it again from here. I seriously forgot the name. I forgot her name, but I will find her. She's in US only, but this is my favorite. I think I wore it for my birthday. Getting the velvet box from Amazon, it's big and it's more compliments actually. Deepa, if you can link it here, that way we all can see it, because that way it will be easy for everyone to see. Yeah, hi Kriti, thank you so much for hopping on. Tamil, that now only I was saying, right? I forgot where I got this one. I will link. Seriously, don't ask me. I am going to show another. At least I'm thinking I will show a few more, but I will not remember. I am a very bad in that. Yeah, this is actually maybe for me also it's time, Srividya. I need to start, but I have 3 boxes of necklaces. Maybe we'll do that in a separate day. So this is my absolute favorite. If you guys remember, I wore like a gold tissue sari for my birthday. So I wore this jhumka to match that. I didn't wear anything else. I just wore this one. So I think, yeah, I think this one most of you might be having another mirror jhumka. So this is if you ask me, this is how I will buy. When I bought it, I was like, what is the color I had? She was like, I think you bought a black metal. Then I was like, okay, then pick the silver for this. That's how I will end up buying. So thank you, Kriti, thank you so much. Yes, Bhav, that is my birthday sari. That birthday sari is also from India. Oh, thank you, Tamil. I'm glad you post the picture once you get it. So this is even for this will go. I think mirror chokers and mirror earrings are always in trend, I think now. Yeah, you don't have Juhi. You need to. I think you are also what is it like? Even people have that mirror choker. I don't have it, but thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. So this, see, just you don't even need anything else. You just wear this and you will be set. Yeah, that's what I said. This is one of the famous one. Like most of you might be having it. It is. These are from India. Like they both are almost same. I think it's not different. One is just has the oval shape. The other one has that flower shape. So they all are like same. That's how I do it. I think pretty much I finished this box. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, see, this is the smaller one when compared to that. So I try to have this way. If you can see, it makes it so easy for me to pick. At the same time, they are not touching each other. So it really makes for me to easily access it. I feel like after investing so much on your Srividya, don't even say that you have so much. I am going to come to your house and see. You have even the food displays so much, and you do so much. People should know how much you do. I see the Kemp Big Smoka. Yes. That's what I'm going to see. Thank you, Kriti. Thank you. Bangle collection. Yes, I am actually organizing the second row. Yes, Bhav. I am a very crazy fan of bangles. I love it. So I try to have them in that way, and somehow it feels so close to me. Hi Kusuma, thank you so much for hopping on. You need to be getting ready for your live, I know. Thank you, Vimi. Nothing like that. Thank you, Kusuma. I was telling how you guys are pro in live, and I'm like scrambling here and doing stuff. So let me show the Kempo on itself. This is from Abita, and I think whenever I buy from Abita, I'll be like, the moment I see something, Yes, Aparna, I will do someday. I organized one, but I'm waiting for the second one. Definitely, whenever you are ready, let's do it. And whenever I would say like Abita has something, I'll be like, Abita, I want this. That's how I'll be. I think this is where we both connected. Is it right, Abita? This is my first purchase from Abita. That's how I ended up. I contacted her when I saw this one, and I was like, hello, how much is it? That's how I ended up connecting to Abita. Yes, Abita, thank you so much. No, this is, if you remember, Abita, this is the first one I bought from you. Yeah, this is the first one I anchored her, and to be frank, I will tell you the story. When I pinged her, I think I just told her, I think she said it's around 45 or something, if I'm not wrong, Abita. So I was like, $45. So I don't even know her personally that time. So I was like, Abita, I have a personal goal. If I reach that, I will come back and buy. That's how I said in the messenger itself, and I went back. And I didn't buy that time. Then Abita was like, Abita came back after, thank you, Shailaja, thank you so much. All credit goes to Abita. So Abita was like, after 2-3 days, she came back and she was like, so sorry, I didn't even ask you. You said you had some goal, and so what do you do, something like that. So she started the conversation, and that's when we connected. I think it's almost early stage of COVID, and yeah, so she just, like any other inquiry, she just passed it, and then she came back, and she was like, she took time to contact, and she messaged me saying that what is your goal and what are you doing, all those stuff. And then we both got connected, and I still remember that is the first few weeks of her doing the live. And hi Madhumita, thank you for hopping on. Abita, these and all will be in my mind. That's what I'm saying. No, if you ask me about anything else, no worries, Madhumita. That is the advantage of FB lives, right? You can go back and watch the replay anytime. So I told her, like, I think I had to reach some goal to buy this, because I was like, I don't want to feel guilty, so I will first reach my sales goal and I will come back and buy Abita. And then I went back and I bought it. Like, so I still remember this is my first purchase. I think she might have tried that, what is it, like, she might have tried that by this time. So yes, Madhu, it is from Abita actually. So that's my favorite gold one. I think we saw so many of the oxidized one. So that's my first one from Abita. I mean gold one. And here comes Miss Saumya Janardhan. I am yet to use. So I got this pink one from Saumya. I think even from Saumya, this might be one of my first ones, I think, if I'm not wrong. So again, I got like a big Jhumka one. But as you can see, I tried to pick, since I had another colors, I tried to pick like a hot pink here. So this is from Saumya's collections from hers. So now I need to wait for her new ones to arrive. No, Saumya? I know. Thank you, Abita. Thank you so much. Thank you, Juhi. So this is again another famous one. I know this is almost similar to the one I'm wearing. You can see the top is almost the same. So the bottom one alone is little different. Thank you, Kavita. Yeah, Saumya's thing is really cool. So I have earrings, Tamil, but I was like, these boxes particularly I stored, because if you see, these are not flat ones. This box has a little bit of space. So that way I stored all the Jhumkas in one place. So I'm storing that. Maybe after this I will move to something else. Hi Prashita. So this is a similar one. Again, another mirror Jhumka with pearls, but this is from India for sure. I know many of them sell here too. And what else I have here? This is another favorite of mine. I think Abita has this in her store, but this one I bought from India long back, but I haven't used much. See, what is the time now? I've been keep talking for 40 minutes now, so maybe I will cut down after 6. So this one I got from India, from a shop called Briksham. I know Abita had it. Abita had the same one. Yeah, Madhu, because I been struggling. Let me show how it is without the organizer. See, this is how it will end up. Do you guys see? Then it's no point in having it. Yeah, so like I am trying to get more and more, because here if you see, all these are old ones, and I need to get more organizers. I got like few from these are like all bigger ones. The Jimuka itself, these two are my favorite. Someone asked, right? See, you can see how a lazy shopper I am. You can see I have same one in both colors. That's how I will end up. Thank you, Deepa. Let me catch up. Yeah, Briksham used to be my favorite all time. Yes, Kavita, because it is like, otherwise it ends up like this, and if it tarnishes, these are like very, it's not what's like very pricey ones. That's what I have it here. So in that case, if it is okay to do that, this is actually, it's like 200 rupees or something, but this used to be my favorite. Like, this is such a favorite of mine. It's so lightweight. Sure, Deepa, thank you so much for helping. Like, I will also check out. I'm generally not a velvet person, but I will definitely check out. I heard always velvet is good for jewelries, but since you can't see, I end up having the glass, the plastic ones. That way I can easily see. So this used to be my favorite. It is like 100 rupees or 200 rupees. So I ended up buying in India. So let's move on to something which I didn't show. I don't even know where to start next. Yeah. I have Bali's. See, that's what I'm saying now. I will end up, if I like something, I will buy same thing in different colors. So these two are from Vimis. Even the one I'm wearing today is from Vimis. So these two I really loved. Yeah, Madhu, like, no, but the thing is, I used to have, for gold, I used to have the the velvet one, but for these are like, these are like not gold, right? So for that I preferred this. So these two are from since I think I'm going to stop with Jimukas and show something else. So my husband has been back from walking. He'll be like, are you still talking? That's all he's going to ask. So these two are from Vimi's Fine Treasures. So these two, and even this one is from Vimi's. This is such a cute one, I think. Yeah, Vimy is right here in Charlotte, so it makes it easy for me to go spend time and then grab whichever I like. So I still need that, even though, yeah, I think if you go back and see my pictures, Kavita, you would see this one with the same black dress. Yeah, that black dress, I wore it so many times, even though I get like my husband says, you are wearing it too often, but I'll still wear it. Let me pick very few from here, and then maybe we'll close. I don't want to show everything from this box, because everything from this box is, even though earrings, I will try to pick very few. I will just move them here so that I can see it. Yeah, let me show this. See, someone asked, if it is a flat one, you can store it something like that. You don't have to have a bigger one. This one, let me take the other one. This one was from, again, Abita's Abhita, it's a Meena Kari, I believe. I don't know whether she's there, but yeah, Madhu, but I don't want you guys to hold on. I know 7 o'clock again Kusuma will start, so you guys go eat your dinner or prepare your dinner, something like that. So this is from Abhita's. I really, really loved. I wore it. Ayyo. Oh, Kavita, you are putting me in trouble. Yes, so Abhita sent me this one as my gift for my birthday, and I really loved it because the quality was amazing, and also the way it fits, it was so nice. As I said, since I'm a Jumuka person, even I would have grabbed a Meenakari in Jumuka, but this one fits so much, and last week I wore it. No, Madhu, she said she's doing a live now. I was about to change, but then she changed it to saying that she's going to do the live. Yes. So this is again my favorite one from India. This is called, this one I bought it from a shop called Trinket Shop. So this is again a pearl one, but it's not a Jimukka. So this will sit straight, but it will be really nice. Yeah, she said some fun live. Yeah. So whoever is ready, we all can volunteer and jump and make her feel comfortable. Yeah, this one is really lightweight, but it's like a very neutral tone, so it will go well with any saree, so any saree or any ethnic jewelry. This one is from Trinket Shop. It's an Indian one, Shobna. It's an Instagram one. I will try to link my favorite ones in a post. It's a really long list, but I will definitely try. I will try few of my favorites from India as well as here. And this one Soumya sent me last time. Where is the other one? Yes. Yes. And this one is Soumya sent me. This is Soumya. What is this? This is a, what do you call? Rajasthani earring. That's how Vimi calls it. Is it the one? I think Soumya sent me as a gift along with her purchase last time. So this is a very small one. Yes, I will try, Juhi. As you know, it is so hard because it is so many things, and it will be really hard to miss out. Yes, that's what it's a Rajasthani earring. I never had similar to that. I know Vimi has it smaller ones. This is little bigger one actually. So she sent me. Thank you, Soumya. So this is from GRT. I don't know whether you guys know. GRT is an Indian shop. It's a jewelry shop in Tamil Nadu, which is a famous one. And last Indian visit when I went, to be frank, I paid $5,000 rupees for this one. I know it. I don't even know whether it's worth it or not, but that's how much I paid for this one. So, oh, did she show? That's what, like, I was there only half the live. Then I hopped off. This, you can see it's very smaller one only, but it will go well with any of the Indian saris or anything. So let's move on to the next box. I will leave you guys in another 5 minutes, and you guys can go enjoy your Friday. But thank you so much for being there. It might be, yes, you guys are right. It's a silver gold plated. That's why it's 5,000 rupees, because it's from GRT. Hi Raji. Yes, I wanted to. This month is just what to say, like, it's my free let go time. So I am enjoying what and all. Yes, Madhu, it's a gold plated pure silver. These days they call it 92.5 and all. 2-3 years back nobody knows those kind of words, right? So I just bought it along with it. Yes, let me show few. Where should I start? I think, see, I have so much of Nidhi's one and all Meenakaris. I think this one is from Vimi's. I'm very, what is it, like, I won't say I'm picky, but once I like it, I buy many things. Thank you, Juhi. Thank you so much. I know you guys are off from office. I know it will be a tiring day. Yes, that's correct, Madhu. See, I am very bad in these things. Yes, that's why it's 5,000 rupees. See, I told you frankly, but I didn't know the name. So this is all these are Meena curries, different Meena curries. So I'll move faster. This one is from Vimis, and few of them are from Nidhi's actually. So I think even Jayanti has this. I think whoever bought from Nidhi, they all will have these kind of ones, and. This is again a different one from Vimis. I think Vimis I won in a giveaway, so she gave me this one. Sometimes I will let her do. Chucho, you're doing office. So what I do is whenever I win something in a giveaway, I let the person choose it, because if I end up choosing it, I will choose the same thing. So I always tell them, you pick what you feel like giving, because that way I will step out of my comfort zone and try something new. So this one is from Vimi. She gave me for her what's that, like for winning a giveaway. And this one is from Soumya's Soumya Anand and Priya's jewelry box. So this is again, see, many of them, these are like, if you can see, these pieces will go with any jewelry basically. So that's why I try to get these kind of pieces that can work with any basically any of the dresses. And this one and all, it is not a huge one, so even if you're going for friend's place or something, you will be able to wear it. And this one I recently wore. This is again Soumya's. This is a very beautiful one. I don't know whether Kabi is in the live. I don't know whether Kabi got it. Hi Satya, thank you so much, Dad. Thank you for hopping on. So this is this one is from Soumya's. I really loved, because it had all the things. It is like a dual tone silver and gold and black, so you cannot go wrong with it. Like, it will go pretty much with any dress, and it will look really nice. Like, I think last week I wore it for going to my friend's place. Oh my god, I got caught now. Oh my god, yes, this is from Soumya's collections. Yeah, so this one is I got from hers, like a few of them. And this one is a gift my friend Janani gave me. She sent me. Many of my friends know how much I am a earring crazy person, so they all sent me. Thank you, Gaja. See, Madhu, you have to be fast. Oh, thank you, Shobna. So this is a gift from her. Again, this is like a multi one. You can pretty much wear it for any dress. So thank you, Janani, for getting me this. Like, she sent me so many earrings for my birthday. So that's one of them. Let me move to the next box. This is a favorite one of mine again. Let me show a little faster. I know. So this is again from I think it's from India. So, but it's a very beautiful one. It is like, these are like a yeah. So this is these are very lightweight one. Even if you are not a Jimuka person, you can still wear this ones, and these will look really nice. Like it has some designs on it, but it is like with white stones. Yeah, it has white stones all over and also pearls, so that way it will look really nice. And what else I have it here? Yeah, this one. This is again, these are like small ones. As you know, I wanted like a mix of this, so that way it's not too big if I'm going and for a day out or something. That way, for a party or anything, I don't have to see. This has been, I've been wearing this for more than 1.5 hours or 2 hours. My ear can take it. Like, it's not pulling or anything, so I can pretty much wear bigger ones too. But sometimes what happens is, if this part is not good, then it will start to pull your ears or hurt. So these are like so these are like those kind of ones. And this is my favorite Meena curry from India again. So even though it's a Jimuka, it is like it is more of like a straight piece. only thing is, I think even I have told Abita to, like, see, if it has it in the middle, I really like it instead of having it in the top, because sometimes that way it will cover it really nicely instead of holding it from here. I like it when it holds little top, so it will look really nice in that case. So that's how I end up buying these. See, I even have these hair clips and all in different shades. I don't even know who will wear a hair clip these days. Yeah, this one is from Goina Hut, I think. That's how her name is. Her name is, I forgot. But this one I got from here only. This is yes, because for me the ear hole is on the center, Abita. So I really like when it covers and do. So this is again a dual tone one, but I think it's a German silver. So this is for the German silver crazy when it came up. But yeah, this is this one I wore for the purple day for the Navratri's time. I wore it for that. And this is from again the trinket shop. So these are very lightweight ones, but I like to have many options, to be frank. So, and this one is a gift Subhatra gave me as a gift. So I think this is from a shop called Taisu Box. How do you mention it? I think this is again an American shop. She gifted me this. So this is again a different style with the polki, or I think these are polkis, and it has the people inside. And this is a smaller version of the same dual tone. I got it, and this one I never got a chance to wear it. So these are like a no, Prashita, I am very bad. I didn't buy for like first of what's the, like my I would say 7 years maybe. I was such a good girl. I never bought anything. Yeah, so then I bought like crazy when COVID happened, because I didn't go to India. So I ended up buying so many things here. And let me finish it fast. What else I need to show? So after that I ended up getting so many here. Yes, let me show this one. So this one is again from Akriti. This one is from Akriti. So this is a silver kempstone. So I recently contacted necklace from Abita. So this was lying down for so long. Madhu, don't even say that. You all have 1 lakh options, except that I am doing a live. That's the only difference. You all have it. Don't lie to me. I know. I've been seeing you all in live. Oh. So this is again another favorite from Vimi's. Vimi gives me such a good pieces for me in giveaways. So this is a piece from Vimi's where I won in the giveaway. So it's such a lightweight one. I even wore when we both went to a lunch. And this is a gift from Kabi actually. Kabi gifted me this. So they all know. So see, Abita itself is accepting that. So you all buy like crazy, and you guys are telling me that. So this one I made to wear. Bav gifted me this. It's what do they call Bav? I forgot the name. I think this is like who is that? I don't even remember. There is one actress who wore it, and even I think Bav used to have in her picture. So she gifted me this. I made to wear. So still it's in this. Yeah, Kabi gifted me that. And this is the one yesterday, whoever on Soumya's live, I told them that I got the green. If anyone wants, Soumya, see, I'm telling anyone wants a black, Soumya still has the black, you guys can go grab it. but I got the green last time. Yeah, she gifted me that, but I didn't have any dress to wear it, so that's why I'm waiting. Oh, yes, Anushka Bali style, something like that. So she gifted me that, and this is, oh, black one was gone, unfortunately, so nobody has it, but black was stunning. The black in the middle was stunning actually. So I got the green, I wore it last time, and this one is from Mass Ethnic from Preeti's. If you guys got few of the earrings I used to buy from Vimy, or it's mostly from Mass Ethnic. She lives in Cary, so this is a earring that I bought from her. So sometimes I try to include you guys Indian jewelry. It has actually Taj Mahal. I don't know whether you guys can see it. This has engraved Taj Mahal all over actually. So this is yeah, I think my husband was like, are you still doing? That's how he's feeling there. These ones, these are something I never wore. These are really, really big ones. These are like, I got it from here only, but I never wore. So this is again another big one. All these are still lying in the box, which I never wore. Let me move on quick and show you guys and leave you guys before you go. This is again another gift. As I said, COVID, I don't know, like many of my friends made me feel so special. I'm really, really thankful for them, because they all took time to, it's not about sending, it's about thinking of me, and they all surprised me when I wasn't expecting. So this is a gift from Aishwarya. She is in the group too. She's in Texas again. She used to have a shop and she closed it. So before that she sent me like few earrings as a gift, and in COVID. Thank you, Aishwarya, for always. It is like so nice to connect with you. Madhu, you don't need any gift, you have enough. So, and see, these two are from Nidhi's, I think. So you can see I got the same color ones. Pretty much everybody might be having the same one. So I have that, and this is the earring I was talking about. This one is from Blossom Hues. I think this is the one, it is in my DP, I think. This is the one I wore with that yellow kurti. So this is, she has very small collection. She has an amazing dress collection. She is not much into jewelry, but very few she had. It was really good. So I got one from that. Hopefully I don't push those. What else? Yeah. See, I have so much Meenakari. This one I really loved one from... See, I told you I will always push something. See, this one is from again Soumya. So I really loved the color. She had it in one more design, but I couldn't grab that, so she sent me this. Thank you, Soumya. I meant to wear and find a dress for that. It's like a pre-booking I already did. So, and this one is from Abhi's, the famous boy and girl collection, which I grabbed. Another Meenakari, which is I grabbed from what is it, like Abita's one. So yes, you guys have to think of my husband, poor thing. He'll be like, every time when I need to select something, he will get a heart attack before I finalize. And this one is from Vimy's. This is such a pretty peach. So this one is from Vimy's Fine Treasure. So I have all the Meenakaris together sometimes, and I think I'm going to finish. I'm going to finish. I will leave you guys. Which one? Yes, the men and women is from Abita's. Let me show both. I don't know whether she has it, but maybe she will restock. So it will have women on one side. You can see the yellow one is a women and this one is a men. So she had it around Valentine's Day, and then she... Hi Raji, thank you for hopping on. So you can watch it in replay, Raji. Yeah. So this is one I got. I meant to wear. I didn't wear it yet. I will wear it sometime. I need to buy something to match. So she had it during that time. I still remember, this is again, it was in her sneak peek and I was out that day. Yeah, so where is the AD stud? Yes, I have it here, Abita. I'm made to come for that. I will finish faster. Thank you, Kavita. Last final few. So this is again a gift I won. You guys vote for me all the time. Thank you so much. So no, I'm not selling Kusuma because you are not there in the live. If you want to, you need to hop onto my website and buy whenever I upload the pictures. Don't ask me for any pictures, okay? And yeah, so this is one without giving the claim number, you guys are claiming, so that's why I am not taking any of your claim. So this is a gift I won from Om Collections, I believe, and it's because of all of you, because you all voted for me for my picture. The one with that green earring, if you remember, that one. Thank you, Kusuma. Sure. And what else? So it was actually this is actually with the necklace. So she gifted both in these shades, but I don't have anything to match with that, so they are still lying. I don't I didn't wear it yet. And the last final few before I leave you guys. So this is again from India. So another gold jimki from India, and this is such a new one. I made to wear. I got it from Saumya. So these are some of my new collections. You guys can see. This is it to wear. Saumya, I think Kusuma wore it. Yes, that's what I said, Chobna. Don't even have patience to wait. These girls are so mean, and they are claiming without me giving the claim number. And this is again from Saumya's. This is on no, Kusuma, I didn't see mine. I don't have a CEO sitting outside with the laptop to check my claims, okay? Thank you, Sunita. Thank you so much. So this is again from Saumya's one. I write these dual tones, Saumya. So then only, and I will take claim only based on what shows up on my screen. As I said, I don't have anybody who sits next to me to assist me and all. I don't have the privilege. I am all alone, so you guys need to understand. So this is the AD one Abita gifted me from her giveaway. So this is one I wore for my my seminar one. Shobna, I can send you a screenshot if you need, but don't ask me all these questions. I can go only with my CEO is my son. My COO is my Cloudy only. So this is again, my son's name is Krish. So whenever I see something with Radha Krishna or Krishna, I always claim that. So this is Radha Krishna earring I claimed from Abita's. That is again been there. I haven't used. No, he's been walking Cloudy, and he's just back. We may grab dinner from outside, so that's why I'm relaxing and doing all the lives. This is again another dual tone ones. I like dual tones too. That way you can match with anything. Yeah, I'm just showing what do they call? I think I pretty much done. Did I miss any? I think I showed most of them. I don't want to bore you guys anymore. I hope you guys get to see a part of mine. I still have so much of silk thread ones from in every color from my friend Jayashree. I used to be a big fan of those, so I have every color in that. And I hope I didn't bore you guys with all my things. I know it is it's even though personal, I thought it's just to come out of my comfort zone and just chat with you guys to just show what I love and just to show a side of me. You have always seen me up talking about my Senegens or my weight loss, all those stuff. So I thought this will be a nice change. No, Madhu. It's always on my screen is final. You guys cannot talk like this. What to do, Kusuma? It is how it is. They are. Thank you, Vimi. You need to go get ready for your life. So go do your work first and then call us. Thank you, Gaja. And thank you so much for always supporting me, and also I have earned so many friends through this. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you so much. I just thought I will show. This is just, as I said, just one part of me. Thank you, Abita. I know you all are pro in this, where you guys are used to showing. Okay, Madhu, let's take it offline. I will see who I can give it to. Thank you, Srividya. Thank you so much. I know you all, thank you for all the hearts too, because it means a lot. As you all know, it's even though it's just been a week or so, I'm home, but I'm still trying to, hope for the best and hope I can hop on. Until then, I'm trying to stay positive and do something I like. Thank you, Shobna. Thank you for shopping on, and you all share your reviews, or you all inquire how I'm doing, all those stuff. Oh, saree collection. Yeah, I would do one day maybe. Sure, Madhu, let's do it offline, okay? But as I said, it's only given preference on whatever it shows on my screen at end of day. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. It's all because of you guys. Thank you, Kusuma. Thank you. Hi, Ashlisha. I'm almost finishing my live. Dress collection, I don't think I have much, Sunita. It is more with, that's okay, Ashlisha. You can always watch the replay. I was like, I don't want it to hold you guys, because I'm not selling. If it is I'm selling, I can hold you for long. It's just I'm showing, so I didn't want to I didn't want to hold you for more, and that's why I showed a few of my favorites, I would say. I hope I didn't bore you guys by keeping the same thing. And Juhi, I am not your auntie. I know it's a autocorrect, but no, Ashlisha, that's what I was saying. Yes, I will do the saris, and also I know they always ask me for how I get ready for the sari. So I will make sure one day I will show how I keep my saris ready, because I will show how I keep them ready, so that you can drape it in few minutes on a busy day too. So that will yeah, I know, Juhi, this autocorrect works whenever we don't need it. Hi, Janani. See, you are very late, Janani. I know you will be going for a walk, but thank you so much for hopping on. Bye, Juhi. All enjoy your Friday, and I will share the organizers I have, but mostly it's only the 3 of them. One is from Amazon, one is from Michaels. That's okay, Janani, that's okay. It's just a fun live, nothing serious about it. It's just to show my favorite collection. I know you have most of them, and you have most of the contacts too, so you know it. And that's all. Enjoy your Friday. Tomorrow mostly I will try to hop on in the morning. Today is day 21, so just 10 more days to go to finish my Slay May lives. So that way, bye Abita, thank you so much for hopping on. Thank you guys, bye bye, see you. And last 10 days, if you have any idea and if you need anything, please do let me know. That way I will try to do it in the 10 days. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys. If you share your dress, then I will definitely share my earrings too. Okay, deal. Bye bye.